Hi friends, welcome back to my kitchen and happy new month to everyone. Today's recipe is stir-fried pasta. Join me to make this delicious meal. So the first thing I'll be doing is to prepare the beef. This beef has been sliced to strips, not too tiny though. And I'll go ahead and spice the beef and I'll grill. While the beef is grilling, I'll go ahead and prepare the veggies. When that is done, I'll parboil the pasta and I'll wash with a clean water after parboiling and I'll set aside. So in a pan, I'll pour in some oil, add some chopped onion. I'll allow the onion to release all its juices into the oil. Then I'll add the grilled beef. I'll allow this to simmer and then I'll add the carrots and stir. Then the next thing I'll be doing is to add the spices. Then I'll add the pasta and I'll go ahead and stir everything till it's combined. So the last thing I'll be adding is the remaining veggies. I added these veggies last because I don't want them to be overcooked. I still want them to still be very crunchy. So I'll allow this to simmer for 2 minutes and it's ready. You really need to try this pasta recipe. It's really flavorful and tasty. So if you do replicate this recipe at home, please do let me know by leaving a comment on the comment section, and I'll really love to read from you. So I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.